Hello everybody. Today we have HP 15 DY series laptop. It's a non-touch screen laptop with a broken screen, so let's replace it. So start with the bezel. Find the gap and work your way around the whole edge to disconnect all the clips. Sometimes you have to wiggle that plastic to disconnect the clip. Be gentle, those are very fragile. So besides the clips there is a little bit of adhesive, so you have to be careful with that. Let's pop up this hinge cover. Alright, so the bezel is off. Now we need to find the here. So the adhesive strip that holds the actual screen, it's under the hinge. So let's take out the hinge. That should make our job easier. Okay, so when I lifted the hinge, I was able to catch that adhesive strip. Now we have to pull it out. And be careful, don't break it. Okay. One is out. There's now the other side. Now let's pull out the other side. All right. Now we should be able to take out the screen. Okay. Here, that's our video connector for the screen. To unplug it, flip this retaining clip. And now we can pull out that cable. Okay, now let's put the new one in. Let's see, yeah, it matches exactly. Okay. Alright, once the cable is in, close the retaining clip. And let's check if it works. Alright, looks like it's working great. So now let's put the adhesive, and we're gonna install it in the back cover. So let's install the hinges back in the back cover. Alright, now the adhesive. Okay, so I'm installing the adhesive strip on both sides. Now the adhesive is ready to go, so let's put it back in the cover. Alright. Now let's put back our bezel. And now the clutch cover. Alright. Let's see again. Alright, the screen is fixed. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.